This is my iPad 2 circa, I think, 2011. So it's about 10 years old. We're still running iOS 9.3.5. If there's a custom firmware out there that I should try, let me know, please. This is stock, no jailbreak at all. And so one thing I'm going to be talking about is using YouTube on iPad 2, which is really old. The app you can download and install through App Store, but you have to download using the Purchase tab. So go to App Store. And click on Purchase on the very bottom. So you have to have purchased it on your iTunes account and then look for YouTube. And that's how you can install it. If you haven't purchased it, that's a different thing that you can YouTube. But you can see I've installed it. The bigger problem here is when you try to load YouTube, it never loads. It actually gives you an error. So this might happen for an iPad 3 or 4, ones that are running older iOSs. Again, this is running iOS 9. If you wait long enough, it's going to give them an error message. It crashed here. Try it again. So sorry you had to wait about 2 minutes to find the workaround. The workaround isn't really that great. You'll just see error loading, tap retry. You can tap this as many times as you want. The YouTube app will not work. And so, sorry to make you wait. Minute 2, I'm just going to show you the workaround. Go on to any browser, Safari or Chrome. I prefer Chrome. And from Chrome, you can go to m.youtube and play videos on YouTube through the Chrome browser. It plays YouTube somewhat smooth. You can see over here. And of course, if you want to maximize the video, just press the maximize window button here. And voila, you have full screen using Chrome. So in my limited opinion, Chrome runs a little better. I could be wrong. So here I'm going to go to Safari. And YouTube also works on Safari. And you just have to wait for it to load. Takes a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, probably around 30 seconds. But now once the video is loaded, or the web page is loaded, I can press play and watch the video. It takes a while for it to load, and you can see over here in the bottom left, the numbers are all jumbled, not organized well, but it plays, and you can go full screen mode and watch full screen mode. Ironically, if you use YouTube Kids, it actually loads. So you can use YouTube Kids, but you can't use the YouTube app. But if you use browsers like Chrome and Safari, you can load m.youtube or www.youtube.com and watch videos there. So that's the sort of workaround that I have using older iPads like this. So I go not now. And use Dexter. You can see YouTube Kids. I can watch this video here. Finally, I'm going to make a short comment. Apps like Netflix and Hulu, I believe, don't work on an old iPad 2. If you find a way of doing it, let me know. I've tried many things. I've even tried running it through the browser. but they detect the user agent, whatever, and know you're not running the latest version of a browser, so you can't watch it on browsers. So Netflix and Hulu, I can't even install Hulu onto here. They just block it outright. So for Netflix and Hulu, it's a lost cause. And that's it. Just wanted to show a short video of how you can watch YouTube from your browser on an old iPad 2. So at least you can do some stuff. Surfing the internet's another question.